Take them white. Nice shooting, white.
Hey girl. Hey girlie. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Load up. Come on. Load up. Oh, you're a good girlie. Good girlie. Oh, baby, it's a good morning. It's foggy out here this morning. Got Bella loaded up. I got a good duck feed. We're going to hunt today. What you doing, Ryder? Gang? Gang? Feel like I haven't vlogged enough, so we need to vlog a little bit more. Just a little vlog going this morning. Got Ryder loaded up, got my gear loaded up. Whitey's just waiting on some dark roast coffee. We're early. We got 8 minutes. We're in the truck 8 minutes early, right? 9 minutes early.
I woke up at 4 to shower.
You showered? Look good, feel good.
I know.
I showered last night or yesterday morning. I showered yesterday morning.
Grind, bro.
That ain't grind, dog. Anyway, gonna go to the gas station. See you guys at the field. Bella girl. She's already curled up in a ball. This is a tough area, man. A lot of hills.
Start getting waterproof boots out. Good Lord, I'm soaked already.
Which ridge in the field are they over today?
That one.
You ready, girl? Let's go hunt. Let's go hunting. Okay, we're ready.
Still, nice. Hearing amount of hunters at the road.
Yeah, there is a lot of hunters here. So. Always nice to have some locks on your trailer at night, boys. Whoever's watching this video, when you're in a new random town you've never been to, and a tongue lock if you're not hooked up. A tongue lock so someone will steal your trailer. 2 of my buddies have had their trailer stolen, completely stolen. Well, and Mendak. Mendak had his stolen last year. I hate dew.
Everything's gonna be soaking wet.
John would be saying, now only walk one lane out to your decoys, and when you walk back to the trailer, only one line. We'd literally have a freaking train of this wide of people walking through, and then you just see them scattered in the decoys, and then one line. It was actually pretty neat. Big John.
Oh, Big John.
Sick.
That same line. Ooh, come on. Keep the same line there.
No, it looks like cranes walking away.
No.
You're that guy that with the snow.
It does make a difference. Oh, no. Come on over here, boy. Huh?
Filming you, dog.
We're putting out a couple lucky duck decoys. Okay, cool.
They're ready to rock. Where you want them?
Cut. Wherever you feel lucky.
Oh, long.
This camera.
Come here. Sit. Good girlie. You ready? You ready? Yeah. Okay. They're getting me dirty. Get in there.
Can I shoot these?
Huh? Oh gosh. How much time we got? Are we ready?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna get this bad boy on. Get my 19 necklaces on here. Good grief. There's too much crap around my neck. Alright, got my coffee. Don't spill. Just need some shells and I'm ready, White. They're coming, let me know. Welcome back to another one, guys. We are out here in a wheat field that has some regrowth in it. We got 4 dozen decoys out front. We put 8 snow goose silhouettes out. We just had a little snow goose spin right at shooting time. Looks like they've invaded our duck roost a little bit, or loaf, whatever it might be over there. They might be coming back here. We've got 0 wind, if there is any. It's out of the southeast. So we're facing northwest. Got the wind at our back, what little wind there is. Out here in Saskatchewan, just out here, me and Whitey shooting. Anyway, we're out here to shoot ducks, and we might start off with a snow goose or 2. Here we go. Wow. Here we go. Rip him if you want. Shoot him that. Nice. Shoot him that. Nice. 4. 5. Nice. I saw him balled up. I'm like, shooting at that. The 6th one just fell, White. The 6th one just fell. 6. Whitey's starting off 3. Hey, she got a crippled snow. Here. Hey, heel. Hey, back. Yeah, we need them snows out. She ran to the decoy.
Oh, they balled up too pretty. I'm like, you guys are big.
Good girl. They balled up so hard. Good girl. Here. Come on, here. Heel. Back. Get that banded one. Heel. Come on. Back. Bella, back. Here, fetch it up. Here. Heel. All right. There's 2 more. I got 2. This is the one, I just got the cripple one. Nice shooting, partner. 6 and 3. Kennel. Huh? Yeah, I don't care. Good girly. Oh, like I was saying, welcome to Saskatchewan. Hopefully we got some of these snows out of here after that, and they don't land on the other side of the field. Like in the last video, if you guys watched, they did that. We let them go, we didn't shoot. They landed on the other side of the field. All of our ducks piled into them. So we shot in the first flock. Whitey got 6 and 3 shots. Absolutely ridiculous. And so hopefully our ducks come from the roost. They hit a loaf pond over here and they come to this field. So wish us luck. Let's get after a couple more here. Stand by. You coming around? Got the mojo on.
Coming on my left. Right in the back, right in the hole. Kill him. Nice. Is that a baby?
Kill him.
Nice. Is that a baby?
Bella.
Hey,
that was sweet. Oh, didn't want to shoot too far. They did love that. Good girl. Here. Dead. Hunt it up. Hey, right here. Good girl. I didn't know where it was either, girl. Heel. She's blinded. Here. Heel. Dead. Kennel. Good girl. All right, 2 down. Sweet. Thank you. Couple pennies. Thank you. Did I reload? I did. Okay.
First 2 ducks came out.
That was pretty nasty. Of course, there's not enough wind and they come in backwards, so that's cool. Come on, man. Come on, Mojo.
Coming around your side.
Take him, White.
I missed.
Go down.
What am I doing?
Oh, damn, boom. Okay, I need to go grab that.
You got 5, I got 0.
5 to 0. No, you have 6 still. Here, here. Good girl. Hunt it up, fetch it up. Good girl. Okay, here, here. Heel, heel. Good girl. Come on, kennel. More coming. Good girlie. Kennel, 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 kennel. Good girl. Oh my, I'm not loaded.
You already loaded?
Go ahead.
I got a green head.
Where's it at?
Right here in this goose floor.
Hey, back. Nope.
More coming from the left here.
Here. I gotta get loaded up.
Good girl.
Here. Good girlie. Heel. Good girl. Good girlie. Good girl. He's so happy. He's so happy. Alright, kennel up. Nice. Don't know how I missed. I missed one, Whitey. Son of a gun. I was barely able to get a shell in. Okay.
That duck's off our back left coming behind us.
Okay. Here we go. It's game time. Take him, White.
There we go. Nice.
Okay, I'm done, White. Nice shooting, White. Take him, White.
There we go. Nice.
Okay, I'm done, White. Nice shooting, White.
Hey,
Was that beautiful or what?
6 for 6.
Look at this dog. I don't even have to watch her anymore. Here. Here.
6 for
Back.
6.
Back. Go get you another one.
Hey, that was pretty.
That was pretty.
Glad we
back.
waited.
Back.
That was sexy.
Good girl. Good girl. Need a field she can see him in better. Here. 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 I have to pop a crane. Here you go. Triple. Triple.
Mallards.
Bella.
Mallards!
Nicely done, White. Here.
Got 2 green. Mallards!
Here. Here.
No!
Come on. Fetch it up.
They swung right back across the middle too. Perfect.
Back. Right there, girl. Right in there. Good girl. Here. Heel. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Here. I thought I was right in here somewhere. Oh, God, it's closer. Heel. Sit. Oh, it is. Well, that's good. So we're just missing one. Was the first one he shot a pin? Oh, here it is, White. Nope, it was a mallard. Sit. It was real close. Good girl. Good girl.
Maybe a crane passenger. Ow.
You want to get a crane? Man, I'm dirty today. Everything's wet. Get him, White. Nice shot. Bella.
All right, let's go eat breakfast.
Nicely done. Little duck, Lemmy. What a beautiful, look at these two. There's your wedge. Heel. Good girl. Good girl. Good girly.
Sorry, John, I missed today.
Yeah, we missed once. That's all right. He's a good girly. He's a good girly. I still got coffee, White. That's when you know it's a good day, when you still got coffee.
I made it up for the 6 on the first one, though.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Billy the happy girl.
We're gonna force fetch. We need to force fetch train a little bit, girly. Getting ahead of ourselves. Don't get ahead of ourselves. That's some good retrieves, though. Good marks. Good nose. You got a good nose on you. You got a good nose on you, girl. All right, get in. Gotta be sure to stay on this video. We're gonna roll this into a day 2 hunt video. Yeah, awesome morning in the fog. Sun's just now poking out. We're gonna go get some early breakfast and stand by.
All right, I'm done. I even swung out front. I was gonna get him in the head. Found one.
Yeah. That was fun. We needed that. We needed a hunt like that. Bella, here. Okay, you're not even breathing hard.
How many times did you shoot Cole? 8?
Had to have been 9.
You missed one?
Yeah.
9, so we shot 21 times and killed 22 birds.
Really?
With 2 misses.
That's pretty cool.
Still went over 100% and missed.
Yeah, we were over 100% with 2 misses.
And missed.
Whitey with the old perfect timing on the snows helped us out.
That was unfair.
That's funny.
That was very unfair. I was already thinking it, and you said they're wadded up. I'm like, yep,
I said they're wadded up.
Big trouble.
I shot a hen. I'm pretty sure a couple hens. It's dang near impossible on the pintails right now. Huh?
Oh, she's in there whining. I said, easy. You just picked up 20 birds, kiddo.
Come on, Bella.
$7:30.
7:30?
And we're done.
Some nuckies. That was fun. Finally, a Canada hunt. Felt like we were hunting Canada.
Oh, we needed that. That was a good one.
Yeah, we needed that.
Ducks were friendly. Oh,
All right, we got all the trash.
I double checked.
Perfect. All right, all packed up, girly. Hey, girl. Can you stay? Stay. Oh, stay. You want a treat? You need your after hunt treat. Stay. Stay. Kennel. 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 Good girly. You got enough birds today. Let's go eat. Oh, Bella, you quit it, girl. You quit it. I want to show y'all our crib, our little Airbnb crib here. Eat the good girly. Come on, stay out of the road. You want to go potty? Go potty. Go potty. Welcome to our crib. This is our little Airbnb. We got the living room. We got the old school 70s couches. Whitey wanted me to do a little model shoot wearing, wearing some 70s apparel. But y'all check it out. We'll see who's clean and not. This is Ryder's room. We got Ryder's everywhere. We got Whitey's room. No one clearly made our beds this morning, but that's okay. This is my room. Got a little charging station. Those are actually clean clothes. I did laundry last night. Got all that. Got some fish oil and vitamins. My bed. Heck! Not too shabby if you ask me. A little 3-bedroom house. We had to just spray off Bella out back, so we left her. This is her little living room. She got her little placemat there. Whitey's got some ducks and geese in the crock pot that we're gonna eat later. I'm probably gonna make a little duck and goose, shredded duck and goose and cheese quesadilla, something like that. And we just went to the store, loaded up on stuff. That's what we got. We're gonna get these birds cleaned up. We haven't decided yet. We might go this afternoon, shoot some geese and put that in this video. If not, we'll see you guys in the morning, possibly this afternoon. But y'all stand by until next time, or until, what do I say, White? What do I say? Until
You get lucky again.
Hope you enjoyed the hunt this morning. We're about to get after some more for you guys. All right, just about ready. Whitey and I are hopefully gonna get some gosh dang geese tonight. It was super foggy this morning in this area. It's a little warm this afternoon. It's about 70 degrees. We have a light, probably a 5-mile-per-hour southeast wind. We got the blinds facing northwest a little bit. We're in a big regrowth wheat field. Some green coming up. We just put a little green on the blinds. Looking good. I would almost bet we'll see birds in the next 30 minutes or so. Oh, I just need to get my stuff situated. I don't forget, check out my daggone calls. Ducksbucks.com is where these calls are being sold. We designed them for, well, this is a single reed. It's pretty easy to blow. It's got a lot of whine to it. You'll hear in the videos it's got a lot of whine. From top to bottom, from feed chuckle to greeting call to hail call to comeback call. This thing is very responsive, which I really like, and it's got a lot of rasp to it. Then we got the goose call, big honker goose call for the old big juicy ones. You can tune it for lessers and kind of the interior mid-sized Canadas as well. I designed it to be built for big honkers, though. It's got a really deep tone to it. Check them out. If you enjoy them, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Holler at your boy. Stay in touch. Wish us luck on this goose hunt. We can shoot 8 birds apiece. We'll see what happens. No! Alright, y'all check out the spread. Got the old full bodies out here. Get this one on balance. There we go. Got them all strung out. Got them in little packs. 6, 5, 4, 3 packs all over the place. Looks really good. Maybe if I get on this other side. with the sun. Whitey likes to do this little trick to them in the afternoon. This is what they look like in the afternoon when we scout. No stake, just set the sentries on the ground like that. Beautiful. Got about, I don't know, four dozen roughly. Blind's about 20 yards back, so we'll have 25 yards to the kill hole. Should be money. I'm shooting the old 20 gauge. Oh, it's gonna be good. We got Bella hiding. You look good, Bella. Stay. Good girl. Oh, ready to rip some honkies and some lessers in here. There was some little birds in here too. Please, please. It's a little warm, so they're probably gonna fly a little bit later. Fingers crossed. Come on, right in here.
Set your wings, you pricks.
You just want to try them?
I don't care.
Get them.
Go down.
Nice double.
I guess we'll shoot them on the skate.
Hey,
Hey, man.
why didn't they not try to set their wings?
I don't know, but at least I didn't shoot towards the water.
Bella. I think it's still alive. Here. Good girl. Good girl.
Tripped on the wing.
Trip on it.
Yeah,
Good
she
girl.
did. She stepped on it, so it fell out of her mouth.
Heel. Heel. Sit. Back. Look forward. There you go. Good girl. She's getting them off the ground better. Good girl. Good girl. Good girly. Good girl. Here. Here. Look at how big these things are, dude. Alrighty. Nice little start.
They just don't even look like they want to come here. Right here in the hole, right here in the hole. Cut him, cut him, cut him, cut him, cut him, cut him, Cole, cut him. All right, you want to get back down there? Not more coming.
Kindle.
I can't. We had a decoying bird. We had to kill it.
Yeah.
There's more coming from the left
two
here.
more, two small ones. Did he drop out of the flock?
I don't know if he was by himself. There's a single coming. Right low of the sun.
Oh, there's three closer ones.
Yeah, all of a sudden I just looked up and he was there.
Watch these three.
They're loving you.
Get him, White. Dang it. Bad shooting. Get him, White. Dang it. Bad shooting.
Those weren't awful.
Bella.
They weren't awful.
No, I just shot behind him. No, that was sexy. Did you see him flipping?
No, I just kept my head down. I just
Good girl!
snuck it out at the last second. To
Good
see where
girl!
they're at. He might come back
Watch
and
this
die
one.
here. This other one wants to come and play.
Good girl! Good girl! Fetch it up!
Well, we got enough time. We might be able to
Good girl.
pick away at them.
Good girly. Good girl. Good girly. Little blesser. Where's the other one? Back. Bella, here. Good girl. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Heck yeah. Kennel. Kennel.
Get loaded.
Yeah.
They're gonna do it. Kill him, buddy. Oh, nice shot. I can't get over there. Kill him, buddy. Oh, nice shot. I can't get over there.
Another flock.
There's fresh coming, yeah.
How many did we get there?
3.
3?
I can't. I'm having problems getting to my right.
I know, sorry. I was gonna let him spin. Bella. Bella. Hey, hey, hey. Back. See if she'll get one.
Came too quick.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, back, back. She got whipped. It's okay. Go get it. Get you another one.
Look at them all rolling now behind us.
Good girl. Good girl.
You picking up my goose? You don't like your dad's geese?
Good girl. Here. Here. Where are you going? Come here. Here. Dead. Good girl.
Right in the face.
Little ring around its neck.
Right in the face.
Nice. Hey, hey, hey. Here. Sit. Sit. Back. Good girl. Come on. Good girly. Here. Come here. Good girl. You want to flaunt it? She wants to show it off, Ryder. Here. Here. It's like, look at a little Canada goose. Here. Good girly. Good girl. Here's a good girly. Aw. Holy headshot.
He's been draining since I've been walking.
Heck yeah. Oh, this GoPro's heavy.
Why did they just come out front? We could have wiped it.
No, dadgummit. We got a little wide on its wings. We're getting the little Oklahoma guys here, Ryder. Little Oklahoma geese.
They were nice too.
Oh, they were pretty nice. Dang.
They're playing head jumping games, so.
That was super cool. How many we got?
I got 5. Did you pick up 2 more?
I got 2 more, yeah.
There's another one out there. No. Did that one go down or not?
The second one I shot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that one.
All right. Well, I got 5. I shot 2, 1, 1, 1.
I think I'm at 5 too, aren't I?
Wish they would finish to the
I know, I wish.
left a little bit more so I can start and you can
3.
play house game.
Here you go. Hey, hey, hey. Get some water. What are you doing? You want some water? Huh? Hey, get some water. Good girl. Good girly. I'm proud of you. You're funny. Kennel. Don't step in your water, dadgummit. That was funny.
I had to just so I make it. We're gonna hunt over there.
We are definitely hunting right there. Oh, well, it was fun. It was definitely fun. Just needed one more flock, one more good flock.
Like the two little groups of lessers just want to center.
Yeah, I know. Kept trying to wait for him to center, but dadgummit. Bella girl?
Hey, little geese.
Come here. Let me get your collar off. You're such a good girl. You did really good today. You picked up some crippled geese. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. Are you proud of yourself?
Get back to solo, I guess.
That little thing? Yeah. What do you think that is? What do you think that is, YouTube? Censored. That is some whitey, crock pot, blackened. What do you even call this, White?
I don't know.
Crock pot, duck, and goose. I'm gonna make me a little quesadilla, a little tortilla with cheese, salt and pepper, and a little sauce or something. Throw that on top.
Gosh.
Fry both sides.
Don't do it.
Shout out to Bobby Guy for making me do that all the time.
Don't do it. You're gonna run it out.
I know. I've got to stop. You being a good girl? Stay. Don't be sneaking. Stay. You want to do this outro with me? Come here. Oh, no, not there. Come here. It's a good girlie. Oh, it's fun. Oh, getting a gun dog is fun. Stay. Hey, here's a good girl. Want to do this outro? Come on. Nope. Stop. Oh. Bella. Bella's 13 months old. My first little gun dog. She's doing good. She's getting better each time. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for some more content like this. Tomorrow we're gonna get after some ducks and geese, a combo hunt. It should be pretty good. So we went for the home run tonight to finish off our limit, and unfortunately they picked something out they didn't like, and that's the way it goes sometimes. But hope you enjoyed this video. She's going nuts right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the links down in the description below. If anything in my videos that I use are linked in the description below with a discount code to save you guys a little bit of money. Quit getting your toy. But like I said, take a second, hit that thumbs up. We really appreciate you guys watching. Just got the birds cleaned. We're about to get some dinner eaten. Got to get Bella fed, and guess we'll see you on the next one.